Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a quick demonstration of pyscript. Pyscript is a interpretation of Python that behaves very similar to JavaScript in the browser. And you can see from here, pyscript.net, you can see they've created a little demonstration here of HTML running Python inside HTML. So what I have done is a similar thing here, and I've created a list. I've created an array, and I call this array using random word function. Here is the functions, all in Python, right here, and then I run the function right down here at the bottom, print random word. So when I run this, go here and F5 to reload the page, and you'll see that it will give me a new random word or a new random phrase, random array right in the browser. And I don't have a whole lot of variety in my array, so we're going to get some repetition, but it's just built right into the HTML. So if I edit the HTML, don't want documents, I'm going to go with pyscript test, open the folder in Visual Studio Code. I can just delete all of this, delete, save, and I don't even need to run an HTML server. I just run H5 or F5 to run it in. There it is. So now I have Python running in HTML. It's very cool. All right, thanks for watching and happy computing.